That's not a firework.
It's so cool.
That's ridiculously cool.
That's so cool.
Fireworks doing that.
Okay, that is legit cool. That is crazy cool. Man, that actually makes me like Navy. Dude, that is wild.
Please do this. Let's take one. You get wine with a circle to get an Oxford feedback. Use that. So I came at
Nice.
I've been here for 6 years. That's a much for both guys in business. They match my back. Cream. No, I do want to say. No, I was recording.
No, that's totally in the back. Sorry.
That's awesome.
That is very, very impressive.
Did I tell you guys when I was on my way here, because I had to come here early, the Ford van, the like charter buses of players passed me? They had a police escort and everything. I was like, oh my god.
That's awesome.
They did, yes, they passed me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Dude, this is really, really impressive.
Alright, so will everybody meet out there? And then we just
Meet at the office and then we'll get police escorted to the Christmas party.
Perfect. I don't know if that's in the budget. I'll check for you.
Okay, fireworks.
Next year.
I want those fireworks.
Like okay, if it's either gifts or fireworks,
Yeah.
Actually, look, they are fireworks right now.
See? I told you they were fireworks.
That's so cool.
Okay.
Dude, drone swarm all day long and twice on Sunday.
But the ball,
Here you go. I don't know.
This
It's
is,
like the old-fashioned fireworks.
I don't know. I'm all about this drone swarm. This is fabulous.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. I guess they heard you. You get a little bit of both.
Old-fashioned fireworks.
There you go. Hey, thanks for bringing the karma.
There we go.
There you go. Come on.
Give me some old-fashioned fireworks.
Way to go,
What are you
USAA.
talking about?
These are firework drones.
I'm like the impeccable in all of these.
Way to go, guys. Way to go.
It's true. It's freaking living your life.
We need to check out USAA's financials because clearly they're winning.
That's amazing.
This is nice.
No, it's actually that's the way to do it. Is it though?
And check it out. They got the Domino's sugar sign as a backdrop. Come on. What a win.
It better be us. Who's us? Who is us? Army Navy? Who the fuck is us? Michael, do you know who won?
It's games tomorrow.
Wait, so then who the fuck are what are the fireworks for?
The
The
game.
thing is a celebration before.
I was like, who's us? Who won?
America.
America won.
I hope we won. Who the fuck is we? Who is we? Who won?
Did we won? Us, 1945.
Oh, game is tomorrow. Why? They did opening fireworks. Ba, 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 ba. Is this like the Olympics open ceremony? It's like,
It may as well be.
no, the Olympics are this winter.
Dude, this rocks.
They are.
Oh, yeah, it's
Like,
Italian Alps.
I'm
Italian Alps.
fucking going along in the shut up. my birthday. I'm turning 25 in Italy.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
so excited.
That's
I've
amazing.
never been to Italy before.
We went 2 years ago. Highly recommend. It's gonna be
Which
amazing.
cities did you go to?
So we flew into Rome, of course.
Oh my God, that's where I'm flying
Yes.
to. Rome for a few days and Florence.
Are you going to the Coliseum?
Fuck yeah,
Hell
Fuck
yeah.
yeah. I've
Toscano,
never,
too, is
I've
like
never been to
Amalfi
Europe.
Coast.
I've never been to Europe, so if you have recommendations, please send to me. I'm going to Italy and France, Paris, Nice.
France, I will say, kind of the Louvre. I know it's getting everything stolen from it these days, but
I
it is
still
really
wanna
cool.
go. Okay, my friend,
Louvre.
going with my friend, she's fluent in France. She like studied abroad in some cities.
I studied abroad for 2 weeks. I am not fluent, but it's a lot of fun.
I swear to God,
Now I went to bed.
she's fluent in French. So like I'm not worried. And then my one friend is studying abroad in Florence, so we go
So they know
there.
Italian.
She's gonna have been living there for like 3 months before I leave.
Oh, wow.
That's how you
So,
do it.
yeah, we're going to Rome, Florence, Nice, Paris, and like maybe somewhere else. I don't know. Let my friend who's been to France. Yeah, so you guys didn't know.
If you have time in Italy, go to Positano because it's a little busy.
I don't know if we're gonna have to.
Okay, that's fair.
But I know we're going to the Navy. That's where I'm at.
Nice.
We're gonna be going from Florence to Nice. Like that's a train, so it's gonna be like a long train.
Yes.
But it's gonna be. I've never flown before, so I'm hoping I can just drive myself out because I
Well, there's also movies. Watch movies.
Yes, but here's the thing. Everybody that left a little early and like it's so
Yeah, I know.
like to land at like to be in Rome at like so we actually fly to Copenhagen and then we go from Copenhagen to Rome.
Okay.
So we get to Rome by like so okay. Let me go back.
So whatever you do, stay up as long as you can.
No, Michael. I don't think that's right. So we leave. Okay.
Whoever's running this barge knows what the hell they're doing.
Leave
It's
Dulles
impressive.
at 9:30.
Rome will be on my time.
No, Michael. No, I don't think that's right. Michael, we leave Dulles at 8:30 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
We get to Copenhagen by I don't know what time again. But we get to Rome by 6:30 p.m. the following day. So April 20th. We leave April 20th. And we get to Rome by 6:30 p.m. on April 21st. So,
Oh,
like,
so then you can sleep when you get there.
yes.
After the pizza and the spaghetti.
have dinner. The spaghetti.
Yeah. Spaghetti. You can go to bed.
The longest flight I've ever been on was 6.5 hours when I flew to Portland, Oregon on my way to Anchorage, Alaska. So like, but I've
So
never.
how long is this flight?
This is like 7 hours and 50 minutes.
Oh, you're
but
gonna
like,
be fine. You got
over
it.
the ocean, I'm gonna show my hands. Like I can't.
Definitely.
I'm going to. When I fly over the ocean,
You do
I get
realize-
so fucking
you do
scared.
realize-
Like, I can't do it. I'm gonna.
Oh,
You're not gonna see the ocean.
Yeah.
You're gonna be so high.
You'll be all
I'm
right.
gonna have to drive. No, I'm gonna have to
I
drive.
just
You don't
want you to know that this guy has you shitting your pants.
I'm just gonna shit my pants.
Just wear a dress. You won't shit.
No, I poop on planes. That's what happens.
No. I mean, like, God forbid, I fly to Florida multiple times a year. It's like, I'm
Oh, you
used to
told me
like,
we're going back to work.
But I've never flown this long before, and it's over
You
the
got
ocean.
it.
And when it's over the ocean, like, I'm like, oh my God.
Just put your headphones on. Like,
Oh, these guys are buzz killing the whole show.
Icebergs can't take planes out.
Yeah, way to kill
You
the
don't have to
show.
worry
Sure
about
they
that.
can.
Thanks, guys.
We're in the air. What
Now,
you
air icebergs